Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Did you know that almost every state has its own fossil? I really enjoyed this book by Yanang Wang that went over every state and all of the findings that they've found when it comes to fossils of dinosaurs. If you have a dinosaur lover in your home, they'll really appreciate this book. I went over this book with a class of students that loved dinosaurs, and they had a familiarity with many of the dinosaurs that were in the book and were really excited when they could look at their own state to see if it had a fossil. Even states that do not have a fossil have findings that are related to dinosaurs. So you'll find that this book is very interesting. Each of the pages has illustrations so that the kids can look and see where in their state they found a fossil, and it will also give a good description on the time frame and what they found in every state. All of the states are covered in this book, and I found that it was very thoroughly researched and had great illustrations to show the kids. Some of them were creepier than others, which brought on a lot of reactions from the kids. If you have a dinosaur lover, then definitely consider checking this book out. You will find that it's very interesting and it gives them lots to explore when it comes to their love for dinosaurs and fossils. But that's just my point of view.